Budget Smart Home. Transform your home for under $500. Welcome to Budget Smart Home Guide. Today we're diving into how you can transform your home into a smart haven, all for under $500. Ready to upgrade your lifestyle without emptying your wallet? Let's get started. First up, a smart speaker hub is essential. The Google Nest Mini 2nd Gen is compact yet powerful and integrates seamlessly with other smart home products. Priced at just $49, it's a budget-friendly entry point into home automation. Next, let's brighten things up with smart lighting. The Sunlet Smart LED multicolor bulbs let you customize your lighting to match any mood. At just $15 per bulb, it's an affordable start your home automation journey. Automate your appliances with Gosen Smart Wi-Fi plugs. Control devices remotely, set schedules, and even track energy usage. A pack of 4 costs just $30. Perfect entry point to automate your existing lights and appliances. Gosen Smart Wi-Fi plugs, 4-pack, $30. Links to these smart plugs are in the description. Maintain the perfect temperature with the Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. It's user-friendly, works with most HVAC systems, and costs about $129. Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat learns your daily habits and adjusts temperatures accordingly, saving you money on your energy bills. Next up, enhance your home security with the Wyze Cam V3. For just $36, you get 1080p HD video, motion detection, and night vision. At just $36, it's a small investment for peace of mind. Upgrade your home's entry with the Wyze Smart Door Lock. It provides keyless entry and remote access via your smartphone. Priced at $108, it adds both convenience and security. The Hubitat Elevation Home Automation Hub is the ultimate tool for tying all your smart devices together into one seamless system. Unlike cloud-reliant hubs, Hubitat operates locally, meaning your automations continue to work even if your internet goes down. This ensures faster, more reliable performance and enhanced privacy since your data stays within your home. With the Hubitat, you can create advanced automations that go beyond basic schedules. For example, imagine unlocking your door as the entryway lights turn on, your thermostat adjusts to your ideal temperature, and your coffee maker starts brewing, all automatically. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including Sunlet Smart Bulbs, Gosen Smart Plugs, the Emerson Sensi Thermostat, Wyze Cam V3, and the Wyze Smart Lock, making it the perfect central hub for your DIY smart home setup. Setting it up is simple. Plug it into your router, open the Hubitat Elevation app, and start connecting devices. Plus, it grows with the Hubitat, you can create advanced automations that go beyond basic schedules. For example, imagine unlocking your door as the entryway lights turn on, your thermostat adjusts to your ideal temperature, and your coffee maker starts brewing, all automatically. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including Sunlet Smart Bulbs, Gosen Smart Plugs, the Emerson Sensi Thermostat, Wyze Cam V3, and the Wyze Smart Lock, making it the perfect central hub for your DIY smart home setup. Here's the total breakdown. Google Nest Mini, $49. Sunlet Smart LED bulbs, $15 each. Gosen Smart Wi-Fi plugs, 4-pack, $30. Emerson Sensi Thermostat, $129. Wyze Cam V3, $36. Wyze Smart Door Lock, $108. Hubitat Elevation Hub, $130. Total cost, $497. Now that you have everything, let's set it up. Most devices come with user-friendly apps for easy installation. Just follow the steps and ensure compatibility with your Wi-Fi network. First, plug the Nest Mini into a central outlet, like your kitchen or living room. Then download the Google Home app, connect the Mini to your Wi-Fi, and assign it to a room. Replace your current bulbs, pair them with the Sunlet Home app, and group by room. Tip: schedule lights to save energy. Plug in, connect an appliance, and pair with the Gosen app. Tip: create routines like Good Morning to automate multiple tasks. Install it, connect to the Sensi app, and sync with Google Home for voice control. Tip: Use geofencing to adjust temps based on your location. Place it, connect to Wi-Fi via the Wise app, and set up motion detection. Tip: enable night vision for clear monitoring. Replace your lock, pair it with the Wise app, and enable auto lock. Tip: share virtual keys for guest access. Connect it to your router, pair your devices in the Hubitat app, and automate routines like good night. Tip: Hubitat works locally, so it's reliable even without internet. With these simple steps, your smart home will be running smoothly and making life easier in no time. Check the description for links, and let us know your favorite automation in the comments. And there you have it, a complete smart home for around $500. If this guide helped you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget-friendly tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This helps support the channel at no additional cost to you.